Next Spacewalker build segment. I'm trying to do this from my phone, so hopefully it's not too jerky. Anyway, this is the wing assembly. I'll kind of get you up to speed what I've been doing. The wing, I'll be up front with you, it hasn't been the part I've been looking forward to just because I don't know how it's going to go together. I've got a symmetrical wing, not fully symmetrical, but as you can see it does have some symmetrical or some camber on the bottom. So anyway, to start it, I basically cut out all my ribs and I set them all up evenly on the plan. Actually, no, take that back. I set up this stick first. I think it's an 1/8 inch stick, and I laid it straight down the plans. I think on my last video I showed some of it. Anyway, I made notches and got them all perfectly 45 from here to the plans. Set them all up, got them straight. Then I did another one on top. I set up my, just to give you an idea, I set up my angles here to make sure they're equal. So it's not crucial, but I like to make sure that this one's exactly the same, straight up and down from the other. So when you look down to the side profile here, you don't see two sticks. So I did that, and then I took, you remember I had the bottom lifted up. I can't remember if I did that on my last video or not. I had it lifted up off the ground. This edge here, I had it lifted up, which I guess that I didn't have to do, but anyway I did. And then I laid this piece down and glued them to this piece. Now my next, and you notice I'm only building half a wing at a time. Just get an idea of how far this piece right here is going to be on the plan. See, I have it about halfway, and then I'm going to take this piece of 3/16 and put it right on the front like that, and then I'm going to do cap strips, 16 cap strips. Just on the back here, it's not going to be a solid piece, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out little pieces and stand them up inside here, set them all up, and then I'll put another piece on top of it. So when you look at it from this angle, it'll look like it's one solid piece, but it's really not. And that gives it its rigidity and makes sure it doesn't flex on you. So anyway, it gives you an idea of the wing. We'll see how it goes together. So far it seems like it's working. I'm about 4 ribs short, because as I was building I was noticing some of the ribs were too short, so I tossed them and I'm making 4 others. You can see in there I've drawn them on the plans. I think I only need 2 or 3, but I figured I'd make an extra, and also I'm going to take an extra one and tape it to the plans for the next time I build this, if there is a next time, which I haven't built the same plan twice yet, so we'll have to see. Alright, well that's it. So next segment, I'll have the front leading edge on, I'll have the trailing edge done, and then, I wanted to mention the aileron is right here. Lift this up a little bit, here to here. So what I'll do is I'll complete the back wing and then I'll cut it out. And then we're going to have to build a piece in here like this all the way down. So yeah, it should look good. Hopefully it all works out.